Welcome to this featured exceptional 3-bedroom, 3.5 bath, 3,500 square foot lavish home blended with modern convenience with long-range views, exterior low-maintenance fiber cement siding on 3.5 acres. Step inside to the beautiful hardwood floors that guide you through a thoughtfully updated layout. Natural light streams across the spacious living area, highlighting the beautiful hardwoods and the natural streams of light across the spacious living areas. Highlighting the remodeled kitchen with a massive island, upgraded appliances, double oven, and barista minibar pass-through that leads to the main level master suite. You'll enjoy this luxury master suite sanctuary with a newly remodeled master bath. Come enjoy the soaking tub in the spa-like area or enjoy the custom beautifully tiled shower. You won't want to miss out on the second level of this home. It adds so many features with the extra bedrooms that both have massive closets, one with an en-suite of a bathroom attached. Don't forget about the extra space of the third level. It is unfinished, but has party board already in place. You can expand or just use it for storage. This home is truly made move-in ready, with so many updates already handled, such as the roof and gutters, heat pumps, water heater, water filtration, softener system, crawl space encapsulation, and upgraded siding. Imagine relaxing with the inspiring long-range views stretching into the horizon. Nearby amenities and quiet streets complete the serene lifestyle. The beautifully crafted and meticulously updated home offers peace of mind and a lifestyle of ease. If you're ready to experience it in person, schedule your private showing today. For more details about this estate or other homes for sale, contact me at 704-308-9806.